Alberta Premier Danielle Smith says her government will announce today how much a COVID-19 vaccine will cost for most Albertans this fall. She is also doubling down on the province's current policy that has sparked some criticism. CTV's Connor Hogg joins us now from Edmonton with more on this. And Connor, is the province going to be allowing free doses for any other Albertans?
Well, Roger, healthcare workers, people with underlying health conditions, seniors who live in communal environments, and those on social programs will all get the shot for free. All other Albertans will have to pay. Alberta Premier Danielle Smith says that there won't be any other adjustments to the province's COVID policy this fall. Now, at a press conference yesterday, the Premier said that the province's policy is a cost-saving measure and that Alberta's stance is a reaction to the federal government no longer covering the cost of the shot. The Premier says healthcare workers were given their cost exemption because of requests from the unions wanting extra protection from those who work closely with sick people. The Premier says fewer and fewer people are choosing to get a COVID vaccine each year. And Smith was asked why the province pivoted to a reserve and pay method instead of only requiring people to reserve their shot ahead of time.
During a respiratory virus season, there's a lot of patients who go into a hospital setting, so they're exposed to COVID, influenza, and RSV. And any healthcare professional who wants to take an extra measure of protection, we're happy to support them on that. That was the reason for the change in policy.
Albertans can get the shot for free, just not here. The BC Ministry of Health is confirming that any Canadian will be eligible to get a free shot at public clinics in BC. The ministry says that the priority will go to people who live in BC, and Albertans should be prepared to wait several weeks for an appointment. You'll need ID showing that you are a Canadian and the personal number on your Alberta healthcare card. And Danielle Smith says that COVID shots won't be available in Alberta until October, and that so far, more than 100,000 people have pre-registered for their dose. Roger?
Okay, Connor, thank you for that. CTV's Connor Hogg.